Welcome to Big Lake Show Vibes. I'm your host, Crim Slim, ready for another Lakers win. And this is the last video of the year. I might do one more video. But if not, this is the last video of the year. And so let's do this preview of Lakers versus Portland. You about to put the work on. We gonna see who's in the rotation. We just got a couple good updates. So let's talk about the state of the Lakers right now. We're struggling a little bit. But what I am seeing is that it's just little small plays, little things we could tweak, and I think we'll be all right. Plus, with the return of AD, hopefully he's been watching. He's been getting hungry again. He's been getting that vibe. So we're going to see what's happening, right? Let's talk about these updates. Vogel is back. I think Fizdale was doing a good job, but he just ain't the main guy yet. So we need Vogel there. Vogues, you've been seeing what works, what don't work. Hopefully you know Dwight needs time. Rotations need to be consistent with keeping stars on the court at the same time. Or you know what I'm saying? Like, we need to put this beat down on people. We don't need to be just trying to maintain. We need to put best lineup up and punish teams. Punish. Simple. So hopefully you've been watching. You see what works, what don't work, and we get to implement something. Maybe some new plays. Also, Bazemore's back. He didn't really have, Bazemore, I would love for you to have a bigger role. We'll see. Austin Reeves is back. I like that. I am feeling that one. That's a vibe that I'm here to support. By the way, you see now we tracking jerseys. So whatever jersey that they got on for the game, I'm hopefully going to have it. The purple one I don't got, but I got another purple one, so I just threw that in there. But they got City Edition on for the final game of the year, so you know I had to go City Edition. Let's get it. Back to business. Anna Reeves is back. He had a good game, that first game. Great defense. Great defense and 3-ball maker. So, what more do we need? What more do we need from him? I think it's going to be a good night. I think it's going to be a good night for us tonight. Let's see what else we got going on. We're playing against the Portland Trailblazers. Let's go check out and see if they got Dame Lillard in, who they got in. Because, with the way this league is now, okay, they're missing. McCollum's out. Covington's out. Zeller's out. B. Williams is out. A. Simons is out. K. Blevins is out. And T. Watford is out. Okay. No McCollum. I guess it's the only one that really matters. When are we going to get Kendrick Nunn? Man, I would love to see him play in a game. Okay, let's get to this. So, Portland Trailblazers. They got Dame, but they ain't doing nothing. They really not. Let's see what their standings are. Where are they at? Yeah, they're in the 12th spot, 13-21. We are in the 7th spot, 17-19. We're right there. I mean, 5th seed, the Nuggets are 17-16. They're barely above 500. Now, the Grizzlies have started to make a run as far as solidifying themselves as a 4th seed. But again, we've only played. We're not even halfway through. Not even halfway. So let's just relax. We done lost some heartbreakers. Our team has lost more double-digit lead games than any other team. So we're putting work in. We're just not able to finish it. And that's okay. I think we can bounce back. I really do. All right. Let's go into last game. while we have a couple minutes. It was a loss. It was an L. It was to Memphis Grizzlies. Now, Bron put that work in. Bron definitely put that work in, for sure. 37 points, 13 rebounds, 7 assists, 13 of 25, 8 of 14 from the 3, 3 of 3 from the free throw line. But I don't know what happened. The bench let us down. Everybody, now LeBron was a 0, plus minus, but Russ was a +1. He started 16, 10, and 12, 7 of 16, 2 of 4 from the 3. Bradley was a +1, 7 points, 0 rebounds, 0 assists. Malik Monk was a +12, 15 points, 3 rebounds, 1 assist. And Dwight Howard was a +17. Oh, why don't we play Dwight Howard more? I don't understand it. 16 minutes plus 17. Was he playing down the stretch? I guarantee you he was not. 6 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist for him. 2 or 3 from the field, but he's doing all the other work. It's frustrating. It's frustrating, Lakers Nation. I don't know if y'all see it. I see it. It's very frustrating. And then the bench let us down. We only played 4 bench players. Melo was a -15. Stanley Johnson -18. THT -7. Darren Collison -16. And we lost by 5. Starters was up, bench let us down. Melo, 5 points, 4 rebounds, 1 assist, 2 of 11, 1 of 8 from the 3. Nah, man, we need 4 of 8. We need 4 of 8. That's 9 points right there, missing. We needed that. Stanley Johnson, 3 of 5. He ain't gonna get mad shots, so I don't expect his effort to be on offense, but on defense, we gotta make sure you're locking up if you're in there. THT, I don't know what's up with you, man. The role, what's going on? I hope you can stay, but we'll see how it goes. The LakeShow is a train that's going full speed, and if you ain't, you know what I'm saying, you just know the vibe. I don't want to speak on it because you down. And Darren Collison, 11 minutes, -16. 2 points, 1 of 2. Yeah. We need Kendrick Nunn. We needed the Austin Reeves of the world, the Bazemores, the Trevor Arizas. We'll take it all. So, we're back tonight. Final game of 2021. You know the vibes. I'm on the East Coast, all of New York to be exact. But yeah, it's gonna go into the new year while the game is going on. So I'm gonna have to maneuver that. But you know the vibes. I ain't missing it for nothing. Let's go. Yeah. You see the fire jersey. And we out.